Hello, today I'm going to show you our newest concept, microBMS. To start, we are going to open up the Apps menu and go to the microBMS Builder App. This takes us to a wizard to easily configure our microBMS application for this building. Here I'm going to name my building J2 Innovations Building. I will also fill out the address field, as well as the other fields such as the area, add in the country, select a time zone. I'm also going to say that my building has one floor and click Next. Now I can choose how many areas or rooms are on each floor. So I'll put that my floor has 2 rooms and click Next. The next step is to add equipment to each area or room. I can rename the areas here. I will rename Area 1 to Kitchen, and I'll rename my Area 2 to Office. I can add equipment to each area and select the number of lights, HVAC, and power meters. When everything's filled out, I'll click Next to move to Step 4. Step 4 discovers all the templates we have available on our microBMS. And when it is done, we can go to the next step and select which templates we want to use. Here I will select a lighting template, an energy template, and an HVAC template, and then go to the next step. In step 6 is where you can assign the templates to each equipment, so I'll make sure that my lighting equipment gets a lighting template, my HVAC gets an HVAC template, and that my power meter gets my meter template. The last thing to fill out is the device ID and the IP and serial port. This depends on which protocol you are using. The last step auto-configures the project, so when we click the check mark, it takes us to our newly created dashboard that reflects our building. In the top left, it shows my building name. It also displays the weather, building efficiency, as well as other helpful information. Clicking on Schedules will open up the right menu with the 2 available schedules. As I hover over the energy consumption chart, I can see the values for each day. More information about the alarms can be viewed in the Alarms tab. The alarms are grouped by type, and I can report the medium and high priority alarms to support. At the top, I'll get a message letting me know that the alarm was successfully reported. Next, the Maintenance tab shows how many days of maintenance are remaining, as well as a place to leave notes. At the bottom, there is a chart showing how many hours of maintenance were used each month. In the Hvac tab, we can see the 3 equipment that we added, the 1 in the kitchen and the 2 in the office. Clicking on the tile will pull up a graphic for that equipment. Here we are able to see more of the data as well as set the values. Next, I'm going to show the Energy app. This app shows the total energy for today, this month, this year, in total. It also has some charts comparing today and yesterday, as well as showing the last week. Last, I'll show the Gas app. Here there are some more charts showing the peak gas demand and the gas consumption. There are also some gauges showing the various usage.